Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of tofu preparation with what many consider to be the best tofu squeezer on the market, the NOYA Adjustable Vegan Tofu Presser. If you're tired of wrestling with towels and weights to get that perfect tofu texture, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Now, what sets the NOYA Tofu Presser apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about efficiency. This presser promises to remove water from silken, firm, and extra firm tofu in just 10 to 30 minutes, all without cracking. How? With its strong and intelligent stainless steel spring, coupled with an adjustable design that ensures even pressure distribution. Adjusting the pressure is as simple as twisting the central dial, allowing you to tailor the presser to your tofu's needs. Next up, we have the openable U-drip tray. This patented feature not only makes it easy to place and move tofu without crumbling, but it also prevents your pressed tofu from sitting in old moisture, ensuring a cleaner process overall. And say goodbye to messy water spills with the convenient pour spout on the top lid. No need to reopen the lid, simply pour out the pressed water with ease. Ever struggled to achieve the perfect tofu consistency? Not anymore. The clear water catcher includes depth markings, allowing you to choose, observe, and record different consistencies effortlessly. And let's not forget about versatility. The NOYA Tofu Presser comes with a bonus marinating lid, perfect for keeping your tofu isolated from other food smells in the fridge. So, if you're ready to take your tofu game to the next level, look no further than the NOYA Adjustable Vegan Tofu Presser. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. We'll see you next time.